Coronaviruses are an outsized family of various viruses. A number of them cause common colds in humans. Others infect animals, including bats, camels, and cattle. But how did SARS-CoV-2, the new coronavirus, produce COVID-19? Here is what we all know about the virus that was first discovered in Wuhan, China, in late 2019 and has established a worldwide pandemic. Where does coronavirus come from? Experts say SARS-CoV-2 started with bats. That's also how coronaviruses after Middle East Respiratory Syndrome (MERS) and Severe Acute Respiratory Syndrome (SARS) begin. SARS-CoV-2 has caused people to leap into one among Wuhan's open markets. This is often where customers buy fresh meat and fish. Open markets sell cobras, wild boars and raccoon dogs. Overcrowded conditions can allow bacteria from various animals to mutate genes. Sometimes the virus changes so much that it can start to become infected and spread among people. However, the Wuhan market didn't sell bats during the outbreak. That's why early suspicions also fell on pangolin, also called scaly anteaters, which were illegally sold in some Chinese markets. Some coronaviruses that infect pangolins are similar to SARS-CoV-2. While SARS-CoV-2 was spreading in and out of China, it became infected with people that had no contact with animals. This meant that the virus was transmitted from one person to a different. It's now widespread within the US and globally, which suggests people unknowingly catch and transmit the coronavirus. This growing transmission is now a pandemic. Coronavirus evolution. Scientists first identified the human coronavirus in 1965. It caused a standard cold. Later therein decade, researchers discovered a gaggle of viruses, almost like those of humans and animals, and named them by their crown-like appearance. 7 coronaviruses are often transmitted to humans. The previous SARS originated in southern China in 2002, and quickly spread to 28 other countries. Quite 8,000 people were infected in July 2003, and 774 died. The minor outbreak in 2004 involved only 4 cases. This coronavirus causes colds, headaches, and respiratory problems like coughing and shortness of breath. MERS started in Saudi Arabia in 2012. Most of the nearly 2,500 cases are committed by people living or traveling within the Middle East. The coronavirus is a smaller amount infectious than its SARS cousin, but is more lethal, killing 858 people. It's similar respiratory symptoms, but also can cause renal failure. What is the World Health Organization doing to watch and grasp changes in SARS-CoV-2? Since the outbreak, WHO has been working with a worldwide network of specialist laboratories round the world to support better testing and understanding of the SARS-CoV-2 virus that causes COVID-19. The world tracked SARS-CoV-2, and shared this publicly archives, including GISAID. This global interaction allows scientists to track the virus, and the way it changes. Within the World Health Organization Global Network, they've established a SARS-CoV-2 Evolution Working Party, which works to detect new mutations early, and evaluate their potential effect on the virus itself and in testing, treatment and vaccines. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.